In this video, I'll show you how to check your browsing history on Google Chrome. What you want to do first is click on this three dot button here at the top right corner. Scroll down to history. Now right here you have open history page, you have show history inside panel. So, and we also have recent tabs here. Right, this is one tab, we have two tabs. So from here you can just point at this, then you can restore the window if you want to, or you just click on the website, right? And also you have other tabs here, you can restore and do whatever you want. But what I usually do often is just click on open history page, and you have a whole page containing your browsing history from probably when you started browsing with that particular browser. Right, this is it. And right here you can just see the dates, you can just look out for the history by dates, or you can come up here and search. If you remember the name of the site or whatever platform you're trying to get from your history, you can just search it out here, and then you'll find it, or just enter the name of the platform, right? So once you click, you see you have everything here like that. And you can also search for more, whatever it is you want to do. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well.